You can find great home decor ideas on Pinterest. Pinterest has a lot of inspiration for every style and price, whether you want to make a cozy corner or your whole house look new. Start by making a gallery wall to show off your favorite pictures and art. You could also use hanging shelves to make your space look better and serve a purpose. Macrame wall hangings give your home a bohemian vibe, and plant corners inside make it feel clean and welcoming. Peel and stick wallpaper is an easy way to make walls stand out with a bold design. Add warmth with rugs stacked on top of each other and fairy lights for a magical glow. With a comfortable chair and soft lighting, you can make a cozy reading nook. For a friendly touch in the kitchen, you can set up a coffee station. These ideas from Pinterest are easy, fun, and won't break the bank. Start small and see how your home changes into a place you love. Gallery walls with a personal touch. Gallery walls are a lovely way to show off your style and personality. They never go out of style, can be used in many ways, and can turn any plain wall into a beautiful focal point. To make one, mix art, picture frames of different sizes, and even shelves that are mounted on the wall to give it more depth and variety. Add your favorite family pictures, memories, or motivational quotes that speak to you to make it more personal. You can give your gallery wall a rustic or old-fashioned look by adding small things like dried flowers or letters. Follow a theme, like black and white pictures or frames with the same tone, to make the whole thing look good. For a fun look, mix colors, shapes, and textures if you like a more varied style. It's not just pretty to look at gallery walls. They tell a story. Try out different setups before you hang your pieces to make sure they look good together. Adding something personal to your gallery wall will make it feel really unique. Macrame wall hangings, a bohemian chic look, can be added to your home with macrame wall hangings. They look great in living rooms, bedrooms, and halls because their complex textures add warmth and charm. You can use these handcrafted pieces as statement pieces or to go with other things in your room. Pick patterns that go with your style, from simple ones to ones with lots of knots. For a calm, put-together look, pair macrame with gray or earthy colors. You can also add more depth by putting them on top of other wall art. Adding macrame wall hangings to your home is a simple but classy way to make it look better. Accent walls with peel and stick wallpaper. Peel and stick wallpaper is an easy and stylish way to change the look of your home. You can use them to make accent walls in your living room, bedroom, or any other room that needs a new look. To match your style, you can pick from bright colors, floral designs, or simple geometric prints. They are great for renters or people who like to change their decor all the time because they are easy to put up and take down. There are a lot of different ways to use peel and stick wallpaper, depending on what you want to do. They're cheap, easy to install, and will quickly make your space look better with little work on your part. Cozy reading nooks turn an empty area into a cozy reading nook that's great for unwinding. To make a cozy place to sit, start with a chair or cushion that you like. A soft throw blanket and a side table will keep you warm. The table can hold your favorite books, a cup of tea, or a small plant. A floor lamp or table lamp will give off soft, even light, making it the perfect place to read. Add books, candles, or other small things that show off your style to the room to make it more your own. As soon as you see this cozy corner, you'll want to spend time there reading a book. Statement mirrors. Adding a statement mirror to a room is a great way to make it feel bigger and brighter. They reflect light and make a room look bigger. They can also be used as a striking focal point. Pick out mirrors with unusual shapes, like sunbursts, arches, or big round mirrors, to give your room more personality and style. A statement mirror looks great in bedrooms, living rooms, or entryways, and it goes with a wide range of design types, from modern to vintage. If you hang these mirrors by themselves, or as part of a gallery wall, they will not only be useful, but also make your room look better. DIY coffee stations for coffee lovers. Making their own coffee station is a fun and useful thing to do in the kitchen or dining room. To keep things like mugs, coffee beans, syrups, and sweeteners in order, use a tiered tray, a small cart, or a table space that is just for them. Add some pretty things, like a small plant, some stylish containers, or a chalkboard with your favorite coffee lines on it. This personalized place keeps everything in order and makes it easy to make your favorite drinks. A do-it-yourself coffee station can make your space more useful and attractive, no matter how simple or fancy the design you choose. Ambient lighting with fairy lights. Fairy lights are a simple way to provide a magical touch to any environment. Their soft, glittering radiance produces a warm and inviting atmosphere, ideal for unwinding or establishing a peaceful attitude. Drape them across headboards, mirrors, bookcases, or even along windows to add ambiance. They can be used to create a whimsical appearance in bedrooms, living rooms, and even hallways. Battery-operated options make them versatile and easy to place anywhere. Whether used sparingly or as a bold statement, fairy lights are a simple and affordable way to add warmth and charm to your home. Conclusion: you can find a lot of ideas for decorating your home on Pinterest, which makes it easy to update your space at any price. There are a lot of ideas for every style, from making personalized gallery walls to adding cozy reading nooks. These easy but effective ideas can completely change the look and feel of your home. You can choose from the textured beauty of macrame wall hangings, the flexibility of peel and stick wallpaper, or the mood-setting effect of fairy lights. Your imagination can make any room a place you love, and it won't cost a lot of money. Start small and enjoy seeing how your house grows.